Today we will be explaining the various ways of how to block calls on an Android. In this video, we use the Samsung device running on Android 11. Option 1. To block a specific phone number or contact on your Android phone, follow these steps. Step 1. Tap on the phone, app or icon from your home screen. Step 2. Browse through your phone call logs to locate the specific call you wish to block. Step 3. Tap the number you wish to block and click on the gray information icon, I, that appears. Step 4. If there are a number that called you, press the block icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. If the person is in your contact, select the icon labeled More. Then select Block Contact. Option 2. To block unknown private numbers on your Android phone, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the phone app or icon on your cell phone. Step 2. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner and press Settings. Step 3. Tap on Block Numbers. Step 4. Make sure the toggle button next to Block Unknown Private Numbers is green. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure to visit safeguard.com for more helpful guides and tutorials.